Alright people, it's time for another little experiment. Today we're going to be trying out some new oil that I have from some unboxing that I did, and I haven't just tried it at all. But anyways, I cleaned out the sigil just to get it dry so you can have a comparison, and I don't even know what it's going to be like. Let's take a little look at it. This is what it looks like. That lady just says oil. And you can see it's, oops. You can see here that it is very, sorry, my camera's not focusing on the right things. Very thick. But anyways, let's do a dry sound test and then we'll switch to oiled sound test. So here's dry. Let's get a better view here. Alright, let's get one last test. Alright, now let me put oil in it. Alright, we're back and I've just put oil in it, and now let's do a little comparison. Sounds pretty nice. Silent. Sounds pretty good, not gonna lie. Super thick. Sounds a lot more clanky and juicy.